Hey, I'm Justin Regier and I'm an engineer here at Redekop Manufacturing. Today we're going to talk about a few simple checks that you can do the first time you start your SCU up. One of the common problems we hear early in the season is belt problems. That's why we recommend that you check your belt tension early on in the season to ensure that they're tensioned to the correct specification. This is important to prevent belt slippage, prevent belt heating, and to prevent excessive bearing loads on all the shafts. We also recommend that you check your belt tension after a few minutes of running because it's possible that the belt will fully seat into the pulleys and also may stretch a little bit after those first few minutes of running. It's also important to check your gearbox oil level. Make sure the oil is at least halfway up the sight gauge. Make sure your wiring's well secured, away from any sharp edges, rotating components, things like that. And also make sure all your shields are in place. Last, one good thing to check is to make sure that there aren't any tools left in the combine after installation. The SCU is good at processing chaff, not good at processing wrenches. If you want to find out more about in-season maintenance, refer to your operator's manual or the other video in this series.